Howdy folks. The project for this portion is going to be painting the tiny house walls and teak oiling the ceiling. She's all blanketed, ready to do sanding and then put some teak oil up on there, sand, do some putty cracks and wherever, and then put some bin. It's exciting. So because I went ahead and put the flooring down first, that's why I'm protecting everything, putting plastic and edging everything. And so the next step is going to be sanding everything. So I covered all of my appliances, everything is taped up. So wood filling, just using normal wood filler, just something that can be stained and can be painted. A lot of work ahead, but it's one more step to moving into this place. And now that the sanding, hold on a second, there you go. And now that the sanding is all done, I can finally start by putting some teak on that ceiling. This is a lot of work. You can just tell that it's a little darker and beautiful. Okay, sanding is officially done. It's time to prime. Well, she's all primed up. Yes. Okay, now it's time to paint it. So as I'm finishing up this work, I'm noticing something that I had left for when we were going to paint, and it's filling in the gaps between the different pieces of casing, as you can see. But one thing that I did is I just waited until I painted to see if the paint was enough to close some of these gaps. So some of this I closed with some glue, some PL, but then I left kind of the bigger gaps, seeing if the paint would cover it, and it doesn't. So now that's a learning for me. So maybe for me for next time, and maybe for you, is when you're dealing with shiplap or wood or whatever, just before you paint, close all the gaps, because for me anyways, the paint is not closing the gap by what I was told. So a little bit more work. Hey, listen, projects one at a time. Eventually this will be done. Well, beautiful sunshine, beautiful crisp day. We just finished painting. I would love to show you inside. Want to see it? Let's do it. Welcome to my home. The wall of windows. One thing that I must say, I'm so glad that we painted before we installed them. Although it is the white, the bin, but there's no way that we'd be able to get down deep into this plank unless we had done that beforehand. So I would definitely do that again. It's gorgeous. So Dad, we're at the end of the painting stage.
Yes, sir.
What do you think? Anything that you learned you didn't know? Anything you'd recommend?
Yeah, we look at the bin for the first coat. The other one with the primer included with the paint, and it really worked well. Actually, I used a small roller for the boards, and even do the corners, it worked real well.
Awesome. All right, well,
We'll do it again.
you heard him, so we'll
Yes,
do it
sir.
again.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's it for this video. Might be wondering what we're gonna tackle next. I mean, what's left? Well, we've got the plumbing, and we'll start with the bathroom. The kitchen is still being made. I'm not sure how long that's gonna take. And then we're gonna put the couch base back in, waiting for those cushions. Not a lot of stuff left, but next project, it's gonna be the plumbing. So humble that you're sending all your comments and having some chats with me on this. We're all in this together. So close, so close. All right, my friends, take care and God bless.